Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you want to test your RAM in minutes, I'm going to show you how to do it really fast with MemTest86. So MemTest86 is a tool that you use when your computer keeps crashing or you're getting a blue screen and you want to test your memory. This memory test runs outside of Windows and it checks your RAM directly, so it won't interfere with drivers or any apps. So you use this when your computer is crashing randomly and you're getting the blue screen or your computer keeps freezing. And so you want to go to this website here, memtest86.com, and you're going to create a bootable USB drive to do the test. So first we're going to download the software. I already downloaded it onto my computer. So it's going to appear in a zip file. So you're going to extract the zip file and then you're going to run the exe file. So we're going to run this, double click on that, and then you're going to see a pop-up window that's going to ask for your permissions. You click yes, and you're going to need at least a 1 gig USB. I'm using a 16 gig. So you'll select the USB, and then you're going to, step 2 is select write image to the USB drive, and then you're going to check post image verification, double check everything is correct here, and then you're going to click write. Then you get a verification, and then you click yes, and then you get a final warning. Everything on your USB is going to be deleted. So you click yes again, and then it's going to begin the process. So while we wait for that, MemTest86 is a tool that a lot of technicians use, and because memory errors are often hard to diagnose, and MemTest86 use advanced algorithms, and it's been on market for over 20 years, and these testing techniques are highly effective in detecting difficult ways to find memory errors. In addition, MemTest86 has the capability to test all available memories. So it's definitely highly recommended and compatible. You definitely want to use it because you can avoid replacing unnecessary parts. And so as it's continuing to download, I'm going to tell you more about the test. So this is one of the best ways to run a memory test on Windows. It's quick, and this actual tool is free, and it comes with a user's guide PDF. You can also purchase the pro version. I believe it's about $72, but you can look at the website and double check that. So once the drive is created, then we're going to have to reboot the system, and then this is taking some time. Okay, so now that we have our USB created, we're going to power on the system and run a test. We're going to start by tapping on F10 to enter into the BIOS. Okay, so we're in the BIOS, and so when you're in BIOS, you then want to go to the boot options. So previously I've already did this step, but ultimately you're going to want to select your USB. So the boot order is currently correct, so we have our flash tool. So now you can just exit from here. Click yes. Okay, so we created the drive correctly. So this is the memory test. And so we're going to go into the test, and it's already beginning the test. Actually, I wanted to show you something else. So we're going to end the test to and so it shows incomplete. But this is basically how the test is. And then here you can see the results of the test. And then you can save it to an HTML file. And this is the actual starting menu where you can configure everything. And this is where you start the actual test. And so as long as there is no errors, I'm not going to run the full test because it takes a while. But since there's no errors, that means that our RAM is great. If you have any questions about creating a bootable drive to run your memory test, or how the MemTest86, if you want further explanation, leave a comment. Thank you.